Dear students, we have taken today quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? It is an equation with degree 2. Degree 2 means highest power. So here highest power is 2 because the powers are 2 and 1. So if degree is 2, the equation is called quadratic equation. Here degree is 1. So if degree is 1, that is called a linear equation. And if degree is 3, here degree is 3 because highest power 3, other powers are 2 and 1. So if degree is 3, then it is called a cubic equation. And if degree 4 means highest power is 4, here only one power I have written, and that is 4. Since highest power is 4, so degree 4, and this equation is called biquadratic equation. So we have got linear equation with degree 1, quadratic equation with degree 2, cubic equation with degree 3, and biquadratic equation with degree 4. And today we will discuss something about a quadratic equation. Now let us consider this quadratic equation: x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So we have taken left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side is 0 and left hand side is x square minus 5x plus 6. So what is meant by solution? Solution means a value of x which will satisfy the equation. Means if you put that value in place of x, then whatever it is there on the right hand side, you must get that right hand side. So in the present problem, right hand side is 0. So we have to get 0 after putting that particular number. So I know that one value is 2, means one root or one solution is 2. So I have put 2 in place of x. So it will be 2 square, then 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square is 4 minus 5 into 2 is 10 plus 6. 4 plus 6, 10 minus 10 equal to 0, equal to right hand side. So x equal to 2 is called a root or solution for this equation. Then the other solution is 3. You can do that one. You just put 3 on the left hand side. For x, 3 square is 9 plus 6, 15. 5 minus 3 also 15. So right hand side will be 0. So the solutions are here: x equal to 2 and 3. Since it is a quadratic equation, you have 2 and only 2 solutions, not less, not more. One is 2, another one is 3. The solutions or roots may be real number, may be complex number, but there will be always 2 and only 2 solutions for a given quadratic equation. And here we will not discuss about complex roots. We will consider only real roots. Now for every quadratic equation there is a special number, and that number is called discriminant. It is like the heart of the quadratic equation. It will determine the nature of the roots. It will have real roots or not real roots. Everything will be determined by that particular number, and that is called discriminant. We can find it easily. It is a real number. Now standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form. So if you compare this equation and this equation, here with x square a and here with x square is 1, so a equal to 1. Here with x number is b, and here with x number is minus 5. We have to consider the sign also, not plus 5, minus 5. So minus 5. And last number constant, here constant is c and here constant is 6. So c equal to 6. And discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is a special number. I told already. It is like the heart of the quadratic equation. So first of all, we have to find a discriminant. So b square minus 4ac. What is b for us? minus 5, so minus 5 whole square. 4 is from formula, A is 1, C is 4. So 5 square is what? 25. 5 square is 25. Then 4 into 4 is 16. 25 minus 16 equal to 9. Discriminant is 9. So if D is greater than 0, that means if D is positive, then the equation will have real roots. Means roots are real and equal. Now you can see for any real number we have three options. So what are the three options? It may be positive, that means D is greater than 0. It may be positive. It may be negative, means D is less than 0, or it may be 0. These are the three possibilities for a real number. So since our D also a real number, we have three options: maybe positive, maybe negative, or maybe 0. But all the three options will not happen together. If D is positive, remaining two will not be there. If D is negative, then first and third will not be there. If D equal to 0, then it cannot be positive or negative. So if D is positive, then the equation has distinct real roots, means roots are not equal. If you get one root is D, 2, say another one is 3. If D is negative, then no real roots. In that case, we will have complex root. It is not in our discussion. Complex root. And if D equal to 0, then you will have two numbers, two roots, real roots. If you get 1 is 2, another one also will be 2. If 1 is 3, then another one also will be 3. Means roots will be all equal if D equal to 0. So these are the three conditions. D is positive, then you will have two roots, but roots are unequal. If D is negative, means D is negative means what? After calculation, you get some minus sign. Say D is minus 1. If D is negative, then we cannot solve here. Means we will not consider complex roots. So we'll leave that one. And if D equal to 0, then we can solve and we will get two values. If it is 1 is 2, another one is also 2. If one root is 3, then the other one also will be 3. So roots will be equal. So this is your assignment. Find the discriminant for this equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. I have written already answer. It is minus 3. So in the next class we will discuss how to find the roots. In the first part I have shown you, I have taken two numbers 2 and 3, and these are the roots for that equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So how to find that one we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.